Hey, it's Carl with WickAds. I'm going to go over global product attributes in your WooCommerce store. So product attributes are just basic information about the product, just additional details. So if we see here under additional information, we have the materials and color that were added in the when I created the simple product. Now, adding these to every single product and typing them out can be pretty cumbersome and time consuming. So WooCommerce made it easy to make global product attributes to set them in your products fairly quickly. So we're going to go to the back end of the site, hover over products, and click on attributes. So here we see that we have color as an already made global attribute. So let's create another one. So name, we're going to call it, let's call it brand. And now these generally I just leave empty. I don't change anything. I just add the attribute. Now we got to add some values or terms for this attribute. So let's go here, configure terms. And now let's add a couple of terms. So I have pillows and vases in the store and a lot of ceramic pottery, so let's create some brands for those. So brand for pillows, let's go comfy pillows, and that's gonna be a brand. And then cool potters for our pottery, and fluffy bedding. And we're going to pretend these are actual companies. Obviously, they're not from my knowledge, but that's how we're going to set these on our products now. So let's go back to our products. So under products, we can go all products. And let's go to our rectangle throw pillow. Click edit. And down in the product information here, we can go to attributes, and under here you'll see brand. So after brand, click add, and now we can select our brand. So we're going to say this is a comfy pillow brand, and just click save attributes. Now we're going to update the product. And now let's go back to the product in the store, and let's see. So as you can see, under additional information, we have the materials, the color, and the brand that we just added as a global attribute. And that's it for your global attributes.